This is question number 4, miscellaneous exercise, chapter 6. The question says that if if the different permutation of all the letters of the word examinations are listed in the dictionary, how many words are there before how many words are there in this list before the first word starts with E? That means we need to find out how many words are there before the word starts with the letter E. So let's first write down the word examination here. It's E X A M I N A T I O N N. And I'm writing this. How many of them are there total? That's 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right. So you know that in a dictionary, before E will come at as the first letter. It will start with as you can see, other than before E will come first, A will precede, as you know that in dictionary it's written in alphabetic order. So let's see how many words are there starting with the letter A. So I'm writing A first. Now fixing A at its first place, as you can see, there are how many slots available? 9 slots, no, 10 slots are there, right? There are NS, 10 here. Moreover, you can see here that there are some repetitions. The letter A is repeated, but as you know that one letter A is fixed. The letter A is, one of the letter A is fixed, so we'll be counting the other A as only one. And then there is a repetition of other letters also. Let's see. Yeah, I is repeating twice. So we'll be using this formula, that is P factorial over P1 factorial into P2 factorial. So this will give you 10 factorial over 2 factorial. You can do the multiplication or calculate the factorial here to get this. Now, as A is exhausted, as you can see throughout, after A is B, but there is nowhere B can be seen. So there is no letter starting with B. Then comes the order C. There is no C here, right? Then D, there is no D again. Throughout, we can see that there is no D. Now, therefore, the next word will start with the letter E. That means fixing E at this place. So that is what our question, that how many letters are already there before starting with the letter E. As before E, there are A, B, C, D, but there is no B, C, D. Therefore, all the letters framed before the first letter starts with the letter E is all those which is starting with letter A. And we have already calculated this being the total number of letters that can be, the total number of words that can be made using the first letter as A.